All right. So week 10, fiscal year 23 Q2. We've got the digital experience, search, nav, and support announcement scope. You can see where all foxes. That's what a clan of foxes is called, scope. So we got a good iteration here. We're a couple more before the end of the quarter. And I'm going to pass it over to John.
Hi there. For this iteration, I'm going to work on a bunch of get started pages. In this case, it's only to create a template and let the content team to populate. Also, I'm going to work on some broken links in the navigation bar and also on some accessibility issues on the solutions open source page. After that, if I am complete with all those tasks, I'm going to pick the issue to create the previewer for the icons in Sleepers. So I'm pretty full for this iteration. Next one is Miguel.
Thank you, John. My iteration will be very short since I'm going on vacation, but I have a bunch of issues from carryover from the last iteration. I did most of the work on them. The get started page, the main support page, they are pretty complete now, and the support child pages, I'm doing lots of progress. So I'll be doing mainly that. Yeah, it should be it from me. And next one is Laura.
Yeah, so I also have a bit of carryover from the events page, some CSS fixes, functionality is there, but that should be a couple more points to be completed. And then I've got an issue for suggested results in SwiftType, so that'll be going into SwiftType and changing some of our configuration. The commit landing page has the sidebar navigation in the middle of the screen, so I'll be fixing that. And I grabbed the blog card, also needs fixing. Some of the text is showing up as white. So that'll be digging into the styling that we have for our blog, which is like an old version of minified slippers. That'll be fun to find. And then I might pick up additional work if I have the time. I think next up is Miracle.
Hi, yeah, so I also have some carryover from last iteration. For the about GitLab GTag update, I'm just waiting for the final approvals for that before I close out that issue. And then I'll be working on some get started templates for enterprise. And then if I do have some bandwidth left over, then I'll definitely look into that GitLab checklist. And that's it for me. I'll pass it off to Carrie.
Yep, for this iteration, I'm going to be iterating over the design for search. We did some research last iteration, so I'm going to incorporate any changes that we learned from that. And then I'm going to work on the pooled sales team form, and then navigation to the get started pages. We have the pages, but we just don't have a way to get to them yet. So that's what that will be about. And then I'll also be, if I have time, working on the sales team form. And that's it. Oh, and I'm going to hand it back to Lauren.
Yeah, so avatar feature is really cool in Zoom, huh? Go foxes. So I'm going to work on implementing the measure, the MR by type. Had a good meeting this morning, so Justin will actually probably carry that one away. And yeah, short week for me because then I'm out. So Laura's going to be leading the team while I'm gone, and it's going to be awesome. So woo, go team. That's it.